I have a bunch of these Realme GTs, and not only are we unboxing this nice new phone from Realme, I'm giving some away. Actually, I'm giving 10 of these away, so keep watching to learn more about this cool new phone and how to join.
Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I am so excited for this video because we will be talking about how you can win one of the 10 Realme GTs I'm going to be giving away on this video. But before all that, let's talk about the Realme GT itself. This is what Realme is touting as their flagship killer, so I'm really curious to see it in the flesh. Without further ado, let's unbox. Right, let's open one of these babies up, and as you can see, this is a fresh new box design. I am loving how this looks. Realme GT in hollow up front. We have 5G up here. Some more Realme branding on the sides. Of course, we have it in racing yellow 8GB 128GB version. Quick specs on the back, we have Realme GT powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G chip, 65 watt super dart charge, 120Hz AMOLED full screen display, and a Sony 64 megapixel triple cam setup. Without further ado, nice. This hollow always looks so much better without the plastic. Ooh. I always told you guys that I loved how pleasant this Realme greeting is on every box that they have, and this is no different. Really interesting to me how the box is lying down and not like standing up like most boxes do. Ooh. We have a SIM tool up here, quick start guide, some information, jelly case. We have a USB-C power cord. Now let's see what else is in here before we get to the phone. Yeah, super dart charge power brick. Right, onto the actual phone. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, nice. That is the famed racing yellow back. I mean, that texture too though. There's a sleek black stripe running through the phone's body, and that's all pretty flush. 3 cameras on the back, and the module is also very thin. That nice back feels, well, nice. We have a power button on the right. At the bottom, speakers, USB-C port, audio jack. On the side, volume rockers and SIM tray. We have a dual SIM slot here. Right, I'm gonna power this up, and in the meantime, a montage. This is one great looking phone, and I feel like Realme did a great job on this. And another thing about this phone is that it's supposed to have a good cooling system, something we can check out in later on videos. Let me know what you guys think. Also, this is a phone with 120Hz refresh rate. Look at that. That's really fast. Camera tour time. So we have wide 1x, 2x, 3x, no 5x, and up until 20x. On the bottom right here, you have AI retouching, so that's basically the beauty mode. Flash settings, HDR settings, you have AI up here. You also have different filters. Ooh, trippy. And then more settings. On the right side, we have a portrait mode, and that allows you to do bokeh of 0 to 100. It's at 60 on default. You have dynamic bokehs, and also at the bottom, the beauty mode. Then you have a 64 megapixel mode, which is basically the main shooter for this camera. Now again, we've talked about this, you guys, but let me say it again. For this phone, the main camera is 64 megapixels, but it shoots smaller but better photos. Though if you want to shoot a full 64 megapixel photo, you can do that here. Under more, we have dual view video. Ooh. You can do 1x, 2x, 5x up until 10x, and then can you do wide? Well, not on this. Ooh, we can do round, rectangle. This should be cool for social media. There's also a beauty mode at the bottom here. You have a slow-mo version, 1x, 2x, up until 3x. You can do 720p, 1080p, and then you have a movie. Ooh! So this is more of a pro mode for video. As you can see, you have all the different settings. You can use a different cameras, and then you have a tiny little preview of what you just shot here. You can do full screen. You have a steady mode as well. You can do grids. Pretty cool for people who do like cinematic video on smartphones. Aside from that, you have an expert mode, which is basically the same pro mode, but for photos this time, you can switch the different cameras, wide to normal. What's this one? You can shoot in RAW. You have different settings. You can do 1x, 2x, 5x. You then have the pano mode, a text scanner, and the ultra macro mode on here. Now on to the other side on video, so you can do wide, there, you can do wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, up until 10x. And then you have flash settings. You have a super steady mode and a super steady mode max. You have an AI mode. You have bokeh settings for live video. Yay! I like this. And then you have your different filters. You also have a beauty mode at the bottom here. And this can shoot in up until 4K. Nice. 4K 30. Nice. And then you have a night mode, which you can do wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, up until 10x. You have different filters for night mode, different filters too. And then there's pro night mode. Nice. So you can adjust your settings when you do night mode shots. And now it's time for selfies. And yes, there are night mode selfies. Now turning on the fill light gives you this for better selfies. At the bottom we have a beauty mode and then selfie video. So up here you have a steady mode on selfie. That's pretty cool, and that's something that we don't see on all phones. We have a bokeh on video. You can adjust that as well. There are different filters. And then you can shoot in up until 1080p on front-facing video. On photos, you have beauty mode at the bottom. You have flash settings, HDR settings, filters, size settings, and a timer. Of course, you also have gesture selfie, the best way to do your own selfies. And then under portrait mode, you have an adjustable bokeh. You have your filters, you have timer settings, and also you have the beauty mode. Ooh, wait, did you see? The beauty mode is more detailed now. Wait, did we check the beauty mode on photo? Yeah, it's the more detailed beauty mode on the selfie cameras. Anyway, we are back to more which we've already looked at, so time for some sample shots. That was our REALME GT unboxing, first look, camera tour, and some sample shots. Now on to the part you guys have been waiting for, the chance to get your very own REALME GT. So yes, first off, this is an international giveaway, so wherever you are welcome to join. All you need to do for a chance to win one of the 10 phones is number 1, comment on this video and make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to add in your IG handles so I know where to find you if ever you win. Number 2, and I say this at the end of all my videos, follow me on social media. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Number 3, like the Facebook page so that you have your daily dose of tech news and features. I link the Facebook page down below. And number 4, if you're one of the winners, agree to post about the REALME GT once you receive it. And of course, when you do that, don't forget to tag me because I want to see. See, number 4 is pretty easy. And like I said, there will be 10 phones, so there will be a total of 10 winners. I'm gonna be getting 3 winners from this YouTube videos comment section, 3 winners from my TikTok posts comment section, 2 winners from Twitter, which will retweet my post about this giveaway, and yes, I'll link everything down below, and 1 winner on Facebook who will share a post about this giveaway. All other details on this giveaway I'll also be linking in the description box below, so don't forget to read. I know you're excited, but no spamming, and please don't DM me about winning the giveaway. These entries will be disqualified. And finally, make sure that your profiles are on public so I can see your post. Right, that's it for today's video. Good luck! Again, if you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, you can find me online at the accounts that I told you to follow for the giveaway. Until next time! And before I forget, special thanks to Realme Global for sponsoring all the Realme GTs we're giving away. And yes, the rest of the phones, they're gonna be shipping out to our winners. Yay!